Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is part 2 of this removing lines from inside of a text. And one of my viewers actually even made me a video clip on a faster way to do it. And if you haven't seen the first one, you probably don't really need to see it. But to get an idea of what I'm doing, I'm not doing it. I was helping somebody build a base for a photo to send a customer to tell them what the trophy was going to look like. And I removed the lines that were running through. I just drew these two ovals to represent the base, and they're going through the text. Well, this viewer said, if this is grouped together, all you have to do is take the virtual segment delete key, and she's very 100% right, and just encompass all this, and it's going to delete all that. So then you can just delete your other lines, and you've got your, in case you didn't watch the other one, then you've got your base of what you're wanting to do. Anyway, so going back, if your object that you're trying to cut out is grouped together, all this text and this logo are grouped together, then the virtual segment delete key won't interfere, because before I was trying to cut these individual letters, the spaces between them. Well, since it's grouped together, you can just go from border to border and they're gone. So I thank that viewer for that, and help you a little bit, and thank you for watching.